This is our 10-head mist maker plate. Compact, powerful, and built for high mist output. Pair it with a reliable SMPS. Connect the mist plate wire to the SMPS output socket. Connect red wire to the live port, black to neutral port, and green to earthing port. Now fill the tank with the water. Use RO water only. Make sure the float switch is fully submerged in water for proper functioning. You can attach it with a floater, designed to maintain the correct water level. It keeps the mist plate at the ideal depth and ensures stable mist output.